Brown noise for ADHD. The brown noise collection. Brown noise could be described as the intense sound of a jet engine, a wind tunnel, or the sound waves make during a storm. While this type of sound might not seem like it could be relaxing, many people with ADHD find that brown noise helps them turn off their brain, relax, or focus. ADHD stands for Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. A person with ADHD has differences in brain development and brain activity that affects attention, the ability to sit still, and self-control. Teens and adults with ADHD actually need more noise to reach optimal cognitive functioning than people who don't have ADHD. This may seem counterintuitive, considering that individuals with ADHD struggle to focus and relax. But because brown noise plays lower frequencies at a higher sound level, the brain registers the sound as similar to its resting state. Many individuals with ADHD find that brown noise in particular is helpful for tapping into that sense of calm and focus, a state they so desperately need. Some have described brown noise as a weighted blanket for their brain. Brown noise helps individuals with ADHD by calming the nervous system and restoring brainwave functioning to a neutral baseline. Parents of babies are often advised to make brown noise playlists for their children to help them fall asleep because this frequency is similar to the sounds they hear in their mother's womb. Are you ready to experience the full effect of brown noise? Fine, let's go.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?